In this video, we're going to discuss evaluating double integrals over a rectangular region. Suppose that we're given the function of two variables x and y that's equal to 3, and we're given the rectangular region R, which is a rectangle on the xy plane with x varying from 1 to 3 and y varying from 2 to 5, and we're asked to find the double integral of f of xy over the region R. Using the information that we're given, we can set up two possible iterated integrals. The first uses the inner integral with limits regarding y and outer limits regarding x, and the second iterated integral has inside integral with limits respective to x and the outer integral respective to y. Let's proceed with the second choice of our iterated integral. So to first start this computation, we'll evaluate the inner integral, the integral of 3 from 1 to 3 with respect to x, which is equal to 3x evaluated from 1 to 3, which is equal to 3 times 3 minus 1, which is just 3 times 2, or simply 6. Now we can compute our desired iterated integral using the fact that the integral from 1 to 3 of 3 dx is equal to 6, by just simply replacing the inside integral with 6. Evaluating this integral is a simple calculus 1 type, which is just 6y evaluated from 2 to 5, which is equal to 6 times 5 minus 2, or simply 18. Let's check that this solution actually makes sense. So is this a reasonable solution? Well, since we're integrating over a rectangle with height 3 and the base, the region R, which goes from 1 to 3 and 2 to 5, our integral is simply equivalent to calculating the volume of a rectangular prism with dimensions 3 minus 1, or 2, and 5 minus 2, or 3, and 3, where 2, 3, and 3 are just the length, width, and height. So we can think of the base of this rectangular prism here as our region R, and with a height of 3, which would represent our function that we're integrating. It's clear that this box has the volume length, width times height, which is simply v equal to 2 times 3 times 3, or 18. This confirms that our solution to our iterated integral of 18 actually makes sense and is indeed correct.